Hello and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. Today I would like a chat to all of you about the old Sydney Rail Transport System map from the Public Transport Commission of New South Wales in 1974. You notice some branch lines that are featured on this map that are no longer appear on today's Sydney Trains network maps. First up, we have Lilyvale Station on the map that is between Helensburgh and Otford. Branching off Loftus is a Royal National Park line, which is now a tourist tramway. Branching off Flemington and Lidcombe, we have the abattoirs line, which is now the Olympic Park loop. Branching off the Carlingford Line, we have the Sandown branch. Branching off Cappamata, we have the Warwick Farm Racecourse Branch line, and branching off St Mary's, we have the Wapes Creek line, which is now swallowed up by the suburb of Wapes Crossing. I'll leave the map up on the screen for a moment so that you can have a look at the Sydney Trains network from 1974. Thank you. Anyway guys, it's time to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.